These are fish aquarium model which are prepared by the students. You can see the fishes and other materials inside this, and some other models are also prepared by students. You can see this one showing the fishes and aquarium, and next is also the fish model submitted by students. You can see fishes, gravels and other materials which is used in the fish aquarium. There is requirement of thermometer, there is requirement of filter and other materials also, and most important is the water. So water tank is required. So these are fully designed by the students. This is a very beautiful model showing the different kinds of fishes swimming there. Then how these fishes are transported, it is also shown in the form of model. One of the students has submitted the assignment. You can see that because it requires some kind of labor and other equipments to transport the fish. So you can see the transportation of fish in this model. So first is land transport. You can see the vehicle here. Then second is air transport. You can see by air you can transport the fishes. And next is the water transport. You can transport the fish through the ship, etc. So everything is given, mentioned here: land transport, air transport and water transport. So in land transport you can see that these are transported by road, especially by trucks and some other vehicles. And in air transport it can be transported by some using some tanks through the airport, through the air transport vehicle, which may be plane or helicopter. And next is the water transport, which is mostly transported through boat and ship. So this is a model showing the transport of fishes. So while transporting, one thing is important, that you need to keep the fish hungry. Don't give excess of food during the transportation. And overcrowded also can be checked. Fishes can be kept in a conducive environment. There should be proper oxygen and there must be proper health hygiene. Health checkup can be done before transporting the fishes. Then what kind of food is required? You can see in the next model kinds of food, and in this chart a live fish food is mentioned. There are some kinds of the worms like Daphnia, bloodworms, shrimp, cyclops and algae, etc., which can act as a live fish food. So it is mentioned here, live fish food can be given to feed the fish. Although there are many fish food which are available in the market, we can use them also, but live fish food is very essential for the growth of the fishes. And you can see that it requires more protein content than the carbohydrate. So proportion of carbohydrate should be less and proportion of protein should be high. So advantages of live fish food has been given. So this is submitted by one of the student. So in this you can see aquarium fish kept in the aquarium. Then how these are transported through land, through air and through water transport. And lastly, in fish food we can use the live fish food also as a feed.